When I think of beyond the part, I think of everything that goes into the process to make it, and I mean everything.
We offer full services all the way from the beginning, from the logistics and bringing product in, the inventorying, forecasting, warehousing, in addition to machining, kitting, assembly, and anything else he needs to do, all the way to the time that the parts are either to you or to your end customer.
Even though we're technically in the machine shop sector and technically a machine shop, we're so much different than that. You know, when you come to MetalQuest, what you're going to see is a very well lit, very modern, very high technology facility. We truly are a total manufacturing service provider.
One of the things we have is we have 13 robots, which for a company our size is pretty unheard of. And then what we do with them is something that we feel really sets us apart. And for us, automation just isn't robots, it's all the systems and processes we use, both the physical ones and also our computer systems that we have that allow us to do things much more efficient.
We take a lot of pride in our facility. It's something that we feel if we can't take pride in our facility, it's very difficult to tell a customer we can take pride in their parts. So you're going to see that. You're going to see that the moment you walk in the door. We really try and understand our customer needs because at the end of the day, we want to make sure they're happy. We want to make sure that they're satisfied, and we want to make sure that we can deliver on everything we commit to delivering on. When we look at their needs, we really try and take a ground-up approach. Obviously we need to understand the parts. That's very important. We need to understand the dimensions, the tolerancing, all of that sort of stuff. But we also need to understand, the bigger picture.
To have a good partnership, you really truly need to understand the customer that you're dealing with. And so expect at MetalQuest you're going to get a lot of phone calls, a lot of emails, at least to the level that you want, so we can really understand your business and you to make sure we're taking care of you the best as we can. I think that we kind of go above and beyond what a lot of other suppliers do. We do a lot of our own market analysis, not just talking to customers, but doing our own investigation outside of that to make sure we really understand the markets that we're serving. I like to think out of the box and be creative, and this company has always done a really good job of letting me and all of my coworkers really excel and really think beyond the part, beyond any stereotype of what manufacturing is. I mean, we look well beyond what other people are doing and think of new creative ways to do things.
When you do business with MetalQuest, we truly strive to be an extension of you. We try and be able to react before you say to. We try and have parts on the shelf when you need them. And we truly try to understand where you're going so that way we can position our company in that same place.